Good morning, guys. I'm here. I've come to the field this weekend. I wanted to try out my cameras this weekend. So I can't actually get in the field because it's too wet, as you'll see in a minute. It's very, very wet. They've actually forecast snow as well this weekend. I've got my snow chains just in case. But I don't expect we'll have that much. So yeah, this weekend I've got no plans at all. All I'm going to do is have a play with my cameras. Just about to go out with Ellie. Ooh. We're going to go in the field, which is out there, obviously, because it's not in here. I'm having wire issues. I've got my very sorry-looking microphone as well. It's all stuck up together with sellotape and hot glue gun. Hot glue. So let's get out and see the field. Oh, that's cold. I saw Damon last night. He came down and said hello. All right, we're coming. We're coming. Ready to go in, are we? Yes. Right, hold on. Right, we're in. I definitely wouldn't have got in. Oh dear, sorry. Having wire issues. I wouldn't have got in here. If I'd have come in, I wouldn't have got out. It's cold. It's cold. Oh, I tell you what, it's got a lovely atmosphere, this field. I love it in here. I really do like it in here. Oh, they've put in extra fence posts, look, to make the fence a bit stronger. They've cleaned the river out as well, look. Looks of it. That's a damn biting chilly wind, that is cold. It's really cold. Ooh. That feels like -10 or something like that. That's damn chilly. Oh look, we got some big puddles here, look. Oh dear. That's Rick's favourite spot. He usually parks there, doesn't he? Oh God, that's very muddy. Oh, is our caravan open? Oh, it is. Hello. And if the mice have been in. That's like a nice cosy place to sit. I might come and sit in there later. Ah, oh, little birds. All the birds around. Can you hear them? Hold on, let's give you a... Can you hear that? I need a new microphone. I definitely need a new microphone. What have you found? What have you found? Woo! Ellie likes anything that's made out of rubber, you see. If it smells of a ball, then she'll play with it. I think it's a bit of a frisbee or something. Ooh! Funny dog. Whoops! Yes, I thought I heard the woodpecker yesterday. I'm not quite sure if I did or not. The little hole's still there. It's up in there. It's damn chilly. It's really cold. What a lovely afternoon. It's turned out really nice. Even got a bit of blue sky up there, look. Thinking lovely. Yeah, I've been having a nice play with the camera. Look, got all my kit out there on the table, look. Trying the steady cam. Ellie's been having a nice time running around as well over there, look. Oh, that's good. I'm just doing a time lapse. Just here, look. How many shots we got left then? 15 shots left. 14 shots. It's showing you about all the cloud coming across. I think it's going to snow again over there, see? Oh, that is glorious in that sun. That is so nice. I like it here. Get all the nice birds and that. It's beautiful. There's some dark clouds up there. There's some dark clouds up there as well. Oh, we're finished. Create video. Yes. Frame rate 30 frames per second. Okay. Create time 1 minute. Yes. That'll be it. Then I'll speed that up to 60 frames per second, which I shall make it a 30-second thingy. Right. Yes, get a few shots and get back in and make some tea. What are you doing, Ellie? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? What have you got? What have you got? Hey, what have you got? Hello guys, I'm still practicing. I've come to sit in the caravan because it's blinking cold out there. It's really cold today, so I've come in to get out of the wind. So I'm sat in the caravan. I see Damon's got rid of the curtains. Where's the curtains, Damon? So I won't be spending a night in here again, because there's no curtains. My van was a bit chilly and I've been running low on gas because it's been so cold. I've been running a lot of gas over the last 2 or 3 months, so I decided to get outside and have a walk around and warm up that way instead. Hello, Smelly. Ellie wants to go out. Now I've had my warm up, let's get out in the field and have a play. Morning. Steamed up. I can't see out. It snowed last night. I thought that was it. Bugger. I think I'm snowed in. Look it up there, look. Look out there. What's it look on the roof? I didn't expect this. I don't know how bad it is actually. Oh, actually there's not that much. It's all fluffy really, more than anything. It's not that much here. Ellie's trying to get in already. What are you trying to do, Els? You trying to go in there already? Well, it's not that much here. Oh look. The field looks nice, doesn't it? The sky still looks very full of snow. There's not that much actually. Nice birds there. Let's have a look, see if the water bowl's frozen, shall we? Yep. Yep. Pretty obvious really because it's snowing. Yeah, okay, Ost. Nice one, mate. I need a way of securing the lapel mic wire to the gimbal because it's all a bit floppy at the moment. Do you know what? I love the sound of snow on your feet. It's really nice. Ah, there's something really peaceful about the snow, isn't there? Do you know what I mean? Something really peaceful about it. I do like it in here. It's even nicer when it's snowing. Right. I think I'm going to head off home before we get any more. There's about 2 inches, something like that. So I think it's drivable. And I've got no gas, so I've got very little gas. So it's not worth me staying anyway because I'll just freeze to death. So. We'll call it quits. So let's get in the van and we'll see what it's like. Wish me luck, or wish us luck, so we can get home. Wheel spinning, so that's good. Another night to you guys. Hope you have a great rest of the day and a good week, and enjoy the trip home, or what's left of it, and see you next week. bye.